Hey everyone, MKBHD here. There's been some interesting news in the tech world recently. Apple and Meta have been in talks. They might integrate Meta's generative AI into Apple's ecosystem. Imagine a new AI joining Siri and ChatGPT on your iPhone. It's still in the discussion phase, but worth watching. Apple's always improving user experience. More AI options at our fingertips sound exciting. AI is central to how we interact with devices. This potential collaboration could shake up the AI world. So, why is Meta so interested in getting its AI onto Apple devices? Well, they've been making significant strides in AI development. They're hungry to compete with the big players like Google and Microsoft. Getting their AI model onto millions of iPhones would be a major win for them. Apple, on the other hand, is already in bed with OpenAI. You know, the folks behind ChatGPT. They've integrated ChatGPT into iOS, and it's been a pretty big success. But Apple's not known for being exclusive. They're more about giving their users choices. This brings us to a really interesting point. Imagine having multiple AI models to choose from on your iPhone. You could have Siri for general tasks, ChatGPT for creative writing, and now potentially Meta's AI model for something else entirely. This kind of open ecosystem for AI could be a game changer. It would allow users to pick and choose the best AI tools for their specific needs. And it would foster competition among AI developers, ultimately leading to faster innovation. Apple's senior VP of software engineering, Craig Federighi, recently hinted at this very idea. He talked about giving users the power to choose which AI they want to use. This is a big deal. It shows that Apple understands that the future of AI is not about one single dominant model. Instead, it's about creating a diverse ecosystem where different AI models can coexist and even complement each other. This approach empowers users and pushes the boundaries of what's possible with AI. It's also worth noting that Apple is rumored to be working on its own generative AI model. This means they could potentially have 3 or even more AI models available on iOS in the near future. Talk about options. The idea of having a variety of AI tools at our disposal is incredibly exciting. It opens up a world of possibilities for how we interact with our devices, how we work, and how we create. Section 4. Google Gemini, a future contender. Now let's not forget about Google. They're not just going to sit back and watch Apple and Meta take over the AI world. Google's got their own AI model in development called Gemini. And rumor has it, it's going to be a beast. It's entirely possible that Apple could open up its ecosystem to Google Gemini as well. Imagine having Siri, ChatGPT, Meta's AI, and Google Gemini all vying for your attention on your iPhone. It's almost too much choice, but hey, I'm not complaining. The more AI options we have, the better. It forces these companies to constantly innovate and improve their models. And that's good for everyone. We're entering a new era of computing, one where AI is at the forefront. And it's going to be fascinating to see how these different companies and their AI models shape the future. Section 5, a mutually beneficial partnership. Now, you might be wondering, how does this all work financially? Who's paying who? Well, here's the interesting part. According to reports, neither Apple nor Meta would pay each other for this potential AI integration. It's all about exposure. For Meta, getting their AI model onto millions of iPhones is invaluable. It's free advertising and a huge opportunity to gather user data to further improve their model. For Apple, offering a wider range of AI options makes their devices more attractive to consumers. It's a win-win situation for both companies. And let's not forget about the users. We're the ultimate beneficiaries of this AI arms race. We get access to more powerful and versatile tools that can enhance our lives in countless ways. It's a reminder that sometimes, collaboration can lead to amazing things in the tech world. And this potential partnership between Apple and Meta could be a prime example of that. Section 6. The cost of AI integration. But of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are potential downsides to consider. One of the biggest challenges is the strain on AI companies' resources. Millions of Apple device users suddenly have access to these powerful AI models. That's a lot of processing power and data to handle. AI companies will need to invest heavily in infrastructure and optimization. We could see slower response times or even outages. But these are challenges AI companies must overcome to succeed. The integration of Meta's AI into Apple devices is an exciting development. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.